our little fishing area of the pier, and then I think if we go straight, there's some restaurants on the water. So let's go find out. See if I'm right or wrong, or not. Probably wrong. Let's see. It's quiet right now, but it's a weekday. It's post-COVID also, so maybe not quite as many tourists as there used to be. But it's summer break next week. Yeah, but it's very cute. It's very cute. There's a little temple there, a little restaurant. Let's go explore. And a monkey.
Another monkey.
Getting some exploring on, Ila?
There's a sign that says, please don't destroy this fishing area. This fish.
Yeah, that'd be sad.
Hall thing. Well, they kind of can't because people live here, like have houses.
I hope they don't.
Does it say?
This is, they love going down the side
Did you
streets.
see that dog?
No. To see how people actually live. It's nice, the side streets. You get a real feel of the town this way. Definitely, when you guys travel, go down the side streets. Have other stuff too.
Yeah, no, let's do that.
Why don't we just take a quick look down here? This is like all the seafood restaurants. A little bit here, you can see some restaurants, hostels. It's quite cute. I bet during tourist time, it's actually quite beautiful. It looks like the Singapore style houses, the Malaysian houses. Alright, let's go. Let's see. Okay, what did you think of Hua Hin?
She still got rice in her mouth. No vegetables though, because she
What did you
refuses to
think
eat
of
those.
Hua Hin?
It was good.
It was good? What did you like about Hua Hin?
I'm tired. That's all I am right now.
Yeah.
No, they had to get up at 9. They had to get up at the
So early.
yeah.
We had to wake up at 9. It was a really nice place. I really loved it. Well, not loved it, but still, it's a really nice place. And yeah, beaches.
As you come from Bangkok, as you come from Bangkok and get into town, the beaches, the water is a little bit, well, right now, but maybe it gets better later. The water was a little bit brown. But then we're going more south, like to the southern part of Hua Hin, and then the beach, we'll see those beaches now and beyond. Those ones look quite nice on the pictures, so we'll see. How do you guys like it? Did you guys see some cool stuff?
We saw, what did we see? We're gonna spot some wild elephants today. And then we might sleep there, but not, we'll sleep near the elephants.
Yeah, the city was nice. It's easy to drive around. There's still not like hardly any tourists, so I think that's why it's easy. And yeah, a lot of places to stay, loads of places to eat. There's loads of golf courses and all that stuff. So it's a nice city. It's a good one if you're gonna like come to Thailand, drive down the coast, stop in Hua Hin.
And also the Black Mountains are beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Even if we didn't even like really go up them, they're still beautiful. So.
Well, looking at them was beautiful. And we found a water park, but we didn't go in it, which was horrible.
Like it? What do you say?
Okay, so like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.
Go.
For the next video, Thailand!